Everybody, today we're in these New Year, and that's why we're wearing these clothes. And this is what we got from Uncle Steven and Auntie Kate. We're gonna open it. Let's see here. No. And you can see my nails. They're painted, except mine's aren't. You have to start from this. With tape. Let me do it. I'll start on this side. Yeah. I got it. So. Whoa. What? That's already opened. It's under the table. Maybe because they wanted to use scissors. Maybe because this thing's too big for the back. These are bags are really big. I can see their pieces. Well, let's have what we saw the constructions. I can see their body wants to come out. But they can't. Oh, look at their bodies are in here. Yeah, his body. I can open it. I'm gonna open this one. No. Are you gonna mix? Okay, just mix them up. Oh. Just mix them up. Oh! Look at those. Put Emma together. I'm just trying to roll around. Got her here. This is the figure I got. It's Oliver. His name is Oliver. Now, this is Emma. And this is Oliver. Stickers, right? Don't want anything to lose. Aren't they people? Don't mix up these. Okay. Let's don't mix up these. Maybe let's mix them up like you said. Okay, it's gonna be easier to do. Aww, cute little whiskers and whiskers. Aww, they feel so cute. You say everything's cute. How about they stand on this stand and get them when they really need them. Was that piece? Yes. How do we get that out? Okay. Now let's. I found. No. Cupcake. Okay, just do the cupcakes. Since you already done them. That's not bad. And there's another fork. Cute. Okay, and there's a pan. Now what is that? Found it. Thingy. And mixer. Looks cute. Measuring bowl. Yeah. Measuring bowl is so cute too. And then our plate. And the round of it is white. Found it. How is this? This is how I got typed so far. And there's some little other things. Other things. This. They're stacked on each other. Sailing pizza, sailing pizza. We made pizza before, right, Mommy? Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
A long time to build this masterpiece. This is what the front looks like. This is what the inside looks like. This is the pizza mobile. I think something's missing. What? Oh yeah, the forks. No. And then the masterpiece sometimes breaks. Remember the little cup shaky thingy? Yeah, we just have to keep these forks and knives. They always fall. Get it out. I think something is missing, Sus. Like what? Remember the cup shaky things? What cup shaky thing? You know, there's some kind of things inside the cups, and you have to shake them out from the pizza. One is missing. It's fine. And this is in here. This is outside. And also you can see there's pans cooking some sauce. You mean sausage? Sauce. I call it Oliver sausage, which means more. Okay, and now we're gonna be the people. After I show you the pizza movie. And check inside these windows. I want to see what's inside. So tiny. Everything. Pizza in here. See? The small, tiny pizzas. Throw too hard. Look at this. I can't believe my sister can do this. It's so easy to build this truck. It's so easy. I think I should buy some pizza. Hello there. Sign out. It's a pizza store. I'm working with you, right? Yeah. Good. But the pizza store is closed because no one hasn't been here yet. But I was about to close it, but now you're going to open it. Yeah. Because let's bake some pizza now. Because it's getting dark. It's not getting dark. It's the afternoon. No. It's getting dark. Pretend this area is. Let's make some pizza. Okay, I made it. The blender. What about the cheese? What happened to the cupcakes? We're not going to bake cupcakes. I mean, look. Perfect. And done. Let's put the blender right here. Your Honk, honk, honk.
Hello there.
Hello.
Come in.
My name's Emma.
I'm Oliver. You sit down and I'll order you some pizza.
So you order all of things?
I will give you pizza.
Instead of all of food, you know, those crispy kinds things?
No, don't worry. Wait here. I'll make the pizza for you.
Oh, is that a pizza card?
No, that's not the pizza card.
I just can't wait to eat. Ooh, and one drink, please.
A drink?
Uh-huh. Put it on one of the spots, dearie.
No. These cups sure are small.
So she's gonna drink her drink. She's dropped. So she's gonna drink her drink. Now she's waiting. She's taking pizza. She's gonna drink it. And
Eat your pizza down there.
I just ordered salad pizza. Is this salad pizza?
Yeah. It's a garden full of pizza.
Is it those pepperonis part of the trees? I mean mushrooms?
Mushrooms? Yeah, the mushrooms are on there.
Yeah, which means that the mushrooms are the pepperoni.
No.
And what is that black dot?
That black dot? What black dot? The black dot are olives.
But what are they for real?
Olives.
And the salad, that is salad garden.
Good. Now,
But
come on, eat up quick. Let's eat up quick and then we can help do the restaurant. Come on.
Yum, 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 yum. The drinks.
The drinks stay up there.
Why?
So people could just still drink there.
Why?
Because people love to drink. Okay, as you remind, my restaurant is
Closed.
not closed. It has to be perfect. Okay? Good. Now
I will
there's
cook the spansies.
okay. There's gonna be a customer coming. It's the pilot. Let me in.
Open the door handle.
Now I'd like to go.
But where's the span thingy? No, the flippy thingy.
No, it's fine. I'd like some pizza. I'll go up the stairs. And let's see. Pilot pizza, please. Do you know how to make pilot pizza?
No.
I just made pilot pizza. Oh. How do you know that? Oh. Okay. Hurry. Now let's have the pan. Pizza.
But Vic, do we
Flies.
forgot to put in the oven?
No. Be fine of eating overcooked pizza. I mean, forgot to cook pizza.
So hilarious.
Okay, took the pizza already out of the oven. Okay.
You crack me up. Get it? Crack me up.
Okay, I took. Now there goes the pilot pizza.
Get it, guys? Crack me up.
No. Stop.
Feels. I'm laughing.
Okay. Pilot pizza is finished.
Then violet reader.
What about other customers? Oh, no. Mia.
Oh, hi. Oliver and Emma?
Don't forget me.
Oh, yes. Right.
Now, come on. Let's go up.
I think so.
Let's
I'm gonna eat here.
eat over there. Careful.
Sorry.
Sit down.
I need to put the pilot back where he was sitting. Pilot need any extra?
No, thanks.
Need any extra?
No, thanks.
Any want a cupcake after?
Finished.
If you want a cupcake. Barely, I forgot to slap in it. Oh, here's the slicing for you to slice the pizza. This is
No.
You on.
okay.
This is hard.
Spin.
Okay. What would you like?
Oh dear.
Quiet down. What would you like to eat?
Oh yeah. Oh there. Okay. There.
I would like to eat camping pizza.
Yeah.
Camping pizza is already camped up.
The butter. Yeah. Now this is yummy.
Camping pizza.
Get it? Yummy.
Yum. Finished. Goodbye.
You crack me up, me. Get it? Crack me up.
Yeah.
Now,
Okay.
let's get it.
Everybody left already.
But is this the no?
No, everybody is done eating. See?
Oh yeah, but
Now we can have a little bit of fun. Want some?
I was trying to bake those. I was making cupcakes, but then I forgot the second ingredient, so I just didn't do the second ingredient.
Okay, so now you're not going to do cupcakes. Good. Let's not do
I
cupcakes.
remembered the second ingredient. Now,
No, those cupcakes were delicious, Alma.
That's.
Okay.
I was trying. I think I was baking skunk cupcake.
I'm fine. Now let's have
I
some.
mean a real skunk by real skunks.
Okay, now let's have some fun time.
Yeah.
Okay, come on. Ready? Ready, Emma?
Yeah.
Okay, now you stand.
And bake the cookie.
No, you stand, and I will make the pizza thing jump, and we will jump off of it and land on our feet. Okay?
Hey, if we're here, then where's the restaurant? Over.
Ready? Jump off now!
Jump! I jumped way up here.
Yeah, that's gonna be it.
Just one day. Please.
One day is a lot. Here you go. Here, use this. Okay, now ready? Here's the bike. More safer.
Okay.
Where's my? Oh no! Where did you put my skateboard?
I think I dropped it from danger candy.
Like everybody does it. You just can't trust
it. And bonus it into a. I actually have a so continue. And
If you'd like some pizza, you can come back in the next video and please subscribe.
Done.
Goodbye.
And thank you for watching this video.